we're really not short of.
Welcome to the Empty Quarter, the largest sand desert in the world, covering some 250,000 square miles. Out here, temperatures hit 50 degrees centigrade, and there are dunes more than 800 feet high.
Okay, we have six-wheel drive with a power split 30-40-30 across the axles. Check. Stronger front springs from the armoured version of the G-Class. Check. Locking diffs. Oh, we've got those. The most you'd expect normally would be 3. On here, 5. And you lock them using these buttons in different ways. Right, let's go. These are big, big dunes. This is more of a sand mountain I'm on right now. Oh, 3 3/4 tons of Mercedes is doing this. It just doesn't feel right. This extra axle, these 2 extra wheels, it changes the way the 6x6 travels over the ground. It undulates, it feels supple. It's like blasting through the desert dunes, riding a sinew. Come on.